Bitcoin may already be a central bank reserve asset. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm 5x5, but man, it was a rough morning. I woke up at 3, tried to go back to sleep, could not, and then I ended up, getting up to work out at 4:30. So a little bit on the tired side, but I am here doing the show for you guys, and yeah, I'm also doing this live for my subscribers at DaVinciJ15.com. You could also do that as well, and we're going to be going over the news and also doing some trades because man, Bitcoin popped off just like I said. It is made, it's broken out of its levels, and that means big trades can be made here. This is where we're going to make some money, and I'm going to be showing you that. And if you're interested in making some money trading, you can do so at bybit.davincij15.com or coinw.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. Also, I'm going to be doing a meetup on the 14th on Sunday. If you're here in Dubai, right, you can go to meetup.davincij15.com, and then it'll take you to this meetup here. So once again, it's meetup.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. Okay. DogeCoin. Wow. Okay. DogeCoin. It is doing this thing, right? Pumped a little bit. And see this article here. DogeCoin becomes second largest traded on Korea's top exchange after Bitcoin. Yeah, it seems that this coin that was created as a joke in Korea is outpacing its regular price. Well, we've all heard about the Kimchi premium for Bitcoin, but I didn't think we'd have a Kimchi premium for Dogecoin. This may indicate a very big pump coming for Dogecoin, so I would look out for that. Let's see here. We'll probably do some technical analysis later on today for my subscribers to the DJ15 token. So if you don't have the DJ15 token, there's a private group for people who have the DJ15 token. You can join that by heading over to DaVinciJ15.com and check out that on the website. Okay. The main story of today, I'm going to actually wait until we get to that story in a second. First off is Coinbase anticipates Bitcoin dips may be more aggressively bought than previous cycles. Yeah. Buy the dips from the dips. Yeah, because the big money's here, so they're pulling it back so that they can buy, and they understand that there's limited supply on the exchanges, so they have to understand that they have to buy this thing on the 20% dips and not 30% dips. As a result, we think the dips are likely to be more aggressively bought compared to previous cycles, even as volatility persists during the price recovery. Okay, yeah, it is the digital gold, right? Yeah, and we can see that because central banks are purchasing gold. February, China continues gold run. Okay, yeah, all right. While the purchasing trend continues, net purchases fell 58% month on month, and activity in the gold market was limited to usual buyers and sellers. Said the blind man to the deaf dog. I think that money's going to Bitcoin. Yes, the money that they're not spending on gold, I think it's going towards Bitcoin. So the People's Bank of China was a central bank that purchased the most gold, registering a net income of 12 tons. The official Chinese gold reserves numbers reached 2,257 tons, continuing its 16-month purchasing streak. Well, I'm sure they have a lot more gold than that. I'm sure they're hiding the numbers and stuff like that because that's what they do. But they're also hiding the numbers of how much Bitcoin they've got. So I'm sure the central banks have Bitcoin. Since the BIS did say that they're going to allow Bitcoin as a reserve asset going forward in the future. Moving on to Bitcoin, you can see that Bitcoin, we have broken out the levels that I said, hey, we broke the 71,500. That would be indication that we're going higher. And we did, not only did we do that, we also broke the previous swing high. So that means this is a positive structure. Now we can see that this is creating a little bit of a bull flag, right? So if we go down to hourly, you can see the bull flag's a little bit more clearer. And that could indicate that a big move upward will be coming shortly for Bitcoin. So yeah, we could be just on the cusp of a big move. So we could retest as low as the lower level here of this pennant formation that it broke out of course, and then off we go to the races. So if you're looking to enter this thing, if we break down a little bit further, I don't think so. I would say I would start buying here, right? Just move it a little bit lower, go to 2%, start buying here and start buying all the way down as it comes back down. And you're going to be targeting approximately the 77K, because that's pretty much where we're headed here, around the 77K. So you can go, let's just not get greedy. You go down to the 4 to 1, around close to the 77K. So that's good enough. So there it is. Here's your trade for those who are interested in making that trade, and you have lots of time to get in on that trade. Ethereum, right? I told my subscribers this was a big trade here, and yeah, boom, off we went. I said that if we broke this level, that was the $3,600 level, and here we are, right? I told you guys just yesterday in the morning. And that's where we are. And if you missed that, you have to just subscribe to DaVinciJ15.com and find out what's going on early in the morning, Dubai time, because that's when I'm broadcasting these or recording this show live for my audience. And yeah, you don't want to miss out, because this gets published later on. All right. With that said, look forward to probably come back. Okay, so right now we are above this resistance that now turned into support, and now we are deciding whether or not we're going to go higher. Obviously, it's probably going a lot higher. I'd be careful here. You can still buy this and just go for a 2% loss on this, because it would be a very big dip if it were to go down there and just go to 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio, which is still within inside the range, and you can move your stops to break even, or and take a little bit of profits beforehand. And there you have it if you missed that trade. So there's a new one for you right here. All right, well, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I'm going to be answering questions for those who are watching this live. If you want to leave me a question or something like that I can answer, you can do so and watch it live. I do this around 8:30 in the morning Dubai time by heading over to DaVinciJ15.com. Links are in the description below. And also don't forget to trade this at bybit.DaVinciJ15.com. Links is also in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.